Hello, I will be showing you how to auto refresh a web page on your computer using Chrome. This will be easy because we shall be using an extension on Chrome Web Store. So just go to your Chrome Web Store and look for an extension called Reload Refresh tab. Add it to your Chrome. Then go to the web page that you want to refresh, auto refresh. For me, I will be using YouTube. Then click on your extension and set it the time you wish. For me, I will be using 6 seconds. Then press start. Now, as you see, my web page is refreshing after 5 seconds. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.